Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade energy drink. To begin, gather your base ingredients: water, a natural sweetener, and a citrus fruit. You'll need about 16 ounces of filtered water, which is crucial for hydration. Then, add 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, for a quick energy boost. Finally, squeeze in the juice from 1/2 of a lemon or lime to add a refreshing, tangy flavor. Now, let's enhance your drink with essential electrolytes and a flavor boost. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. This helps replenish minerals lost during activity. For an optional metabolic kick, consider a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. If you prefer a cooler, more refreshing note, a few fresh mint leaves can be a wonderful addition, providing both aroma and a pleasant taste to your homemade energy drink. Customizing your energy drink is simple and fun. Feel free to adjust the amount of sweetener or citrus juice to perfectly match your taste. For an added nutritional boost, you could stir in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, which provide fiber and healthy fats. Once prepared, store your homemade energy drink in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 days. Enjoy the many benefits of your homemade energy drink. It offers essential electrolytes and natural energy, completely free from artificial colors or sweeteners. This makes it a fantastic choice to consume before, during, or after your workouts, or whenever you need a natural pick-me-up. Don't hesitate to experiment with other fruit juices, like orange or grapefruit, or different herbs to find your perfect, personalized energy blend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.